Students, now we are going to discuss the Raoult's law for a non-volatile solute. Before discussing Raoult's law for non-volatile solute, again I am repeating the non-volatile substances are those substances which are not responsible for developing a vapor pressure because they are non-volatile. Again, we have taken two containers. In two containers, the pure solvent is there, and the solvent is volatile in nature, so it is developing number of vapors, and these vapors are responsible to develop the vapor pressure. When we add non-volatile solutes to it, the surface area is occupied by some non-volatile substances also, non-volatile solute is also, and developing less vapors, and the vapor pressure decreases. So when non-volatile solute added less vapor pressure develops, which is responsible for lowering the vapor pressure. Only the solvent is responsible for developing the pressure. I think so this statement is now clear. Vapor pressure of the solution and vapor pressure of the solvent, that means is same, बिकॉज सल्यूट ने तो पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं किया प्रेशर डेवलप करने के लिए, तो सोल्यूशन और सॉल्वेंट का वेपर प्रेशर सेम रहेगा एंड इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय PS. नाउ अप्लाइंग द राउल्ट्स लॉ, PS is equal to, PS is the vapor pressure of the solution is equal to mole fraction of solvent and vapor pressure of the solvent. So solving this, we can calculate the mole fraction of the solvent. That open this mole fraction of the solvent. Mole fraction of the solvent is equal to the number of moles of solvent divided by total number of moles of solvent, where X is mole fraction and Na is number of moles. Now subtracting these both equations from both sides. So we are doing like this, subtraction from 1, and new form of expression is P0 minus PS upon P0 is equal to NB upon Na plus NB. What it means? That it means vapor pressure of pure condition minus vapor pressure of the solution divided by pure conditions is equal to mole fraction of solute, and that this whole term P0 minus PS upon P0 is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. It is not called lowering in vapor pressure, it is lowering of vapor pressure with relation to its pure state. So it is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैम ऐसा जब आपने कहा कि P0 इनिशियल कंडीशन P0 और PS सेम है, मेरा वो आप उसको दोबारा से स्टडी करो. देखो, जब आपके पास सिर्फ प्योर सॉल्वेंट था तब सारे सरफेस एरियाज पर वॉलेटाइल सब्सटेंस था और ज़्यादा वेपर्स डेवलप हुए. लेकिन जब यहाँ पर नॉन वॉलेटाइल सल्यूट आ गया तो आपके पास सरफेस एरिया जो है दैट इज़ ऑक्यूपाइड बाय नॉन वॉलेटाइल सब्सटेंसेस एंड नंबर ऑफ वेपर्स कम डेवलप हुए, इसलिए वेपर प्रेशर कम हुआ. तो इनिशियल वेपर प्रेशर माइनस वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन comparative to its original state is always equal to mole fraction of solute.